mine caught fire.
Which one?
My Pacifica hybrid. That's all that was left.
Oh my gosh.
I know, right? It was craziness.
Was it plugged in when it caught fire? Is that cable the culprit?
I was on 70.
Oh, you were driving it.
Yes.
Jeez.
What you looking at? Oh, what's this?
Where's that from?
Mario.
No, it's...
I don't know what that's from.
Looks familiar to me.
Oh, someone. Nigger.
How much are your plushies?
They're all $1.
They're all $1.
Yeah. Wow. Look at these guys. Well, those little small ones right there, 50 cents.
Okay.
Okay.
Here, let me have.
Yay, you got tons of toys.
So if I get 6, $3?
Yep. Yes, sir.
They're all
Can
yours.
you guys?
Nice.
Oh, good. You made some. You can make some.
Oh, yeah, boom.
There you go.
Dad?
Up there? Yeah.
Yep.
What's that? Here, see?
Cool. Oh yeah? I'm sure they'll want them. These walkie-talkies work?
Any batteries, they work.
And batteries. They take like AA or some custom stuff?
Oh no, it takes. Oh, you could put AAA batteries in there.
Oh, you can.
No, in fact, I don't have any yet. Let me show you here. It's been a long time. Let's see. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
3 batteries.
Okay. It's got the rechargeable, but you don't need to use them. Are you selling that radio too?
No.
Okay. Thing's cool. Would you take 5 for both? For the to send this? Here you go. Thank you.
You're welcome.
She's still buying stuff, I think.
In the day. 6-year-olds I'm buying games for now. I can't imagine. When he was growing up, he had like every new system available. He still has his original Atari. Oh yeah? I buy all the old games that you want to sell. I buy all these things. Pretty stuck on that. Something tight. We weren't sure on the range, so we tried to keep everything in.
From doing bees.
It's really expensive. Here, just 2 step in. Okay. Thank you.
Dad, why did you get the stuffies?
Because I like them. What is this?
Those are wall shoppers.
Ah, okay.
Dad, poop scooper.
Pooper scooper, that's just a dustpan, dear. Alright.
Hi there.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Ah.
Underwear. Oh, that's not Dad, potty trainer.
Nice, you could finally learn.
Dad, I didn't know like.
I've done those, didn't I? But it was, you don't like these? Is it too quick? Yeah. Yeah. Now what's in here?
What's this?
about that one?
Ooh, cool.
Whoa, that's a
That's cool.
Calvin Klein. And it's
It's a color Watchman. It's like a little tiny TV. I gotta get that. Yeah.
I should think they would. Although I don't.
That's
think
the toilet.
yeah. I don't know. I don't think they would have donated.
Yeah, you wouldn't think so.
If it is locked, you could always come back if you'd like to find out. Donated.
Yeah. Okay.
So
Oh.
that option.
Okay.
I'll take it.
You'll take it? Do you have $10?
No, I have $0. But still, I'll take it.
Is this Starbucks?
Is it Frontiers?
Yeah. She did what? That's interesting.
Didn't break.
In the case? Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. Quarter, 50 cents, $1, $2.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, if you got one. This is $2. This was in the quarter. That's a quarter.
Okay.
That's 50 cents.
Yeah.
150
And that's the
$1.
cents,
So
right?
$2.
Okay. Good.
The price is right.
Okay, we've got it's just charity. We've got to get rid of
Yeah,
it all. We
cool.
can't keep it.
Horse
Oh, he wants
thing.
back to bed. Cooper.
There you go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You too. The free box. That's cool. How much are the Lincoln Logs?
For the Lincoln Logs, I think $10.
Okay.
But that train that includes the it includes the
Oh, is that a Lincoln Logs thing too?
yes, this is all Lincoln Log, and so you
Huh.
can build this.
Interesting.
It has this, and then the train station, the big red train station there, the red
Oh,
lids and stuff. So
interesting.
it all goes together. But
Okay.
make me an offer if you want it. I just wanted to get it out of my closet. I don't have kids.
Oh yeah, I
You
do.
want some?
They're all over.
Okay.
I was really thinking more like 5. Is
Okay.
that too low?
You can have it.
Okay. Cool.
Whoa!
They have some, but it would be something they could
Yeah, you can
add.
add to.
Yeah.
This Anna. It was sofa.
Look at what?
Change for you.
Thank you.
Anna, look. Look, Anna.
This is a very clean garage.
Well, I don't think so.
You should see mine.
You did try to do it like that?
Look at all the tools. Perfect.
3, 4, 5.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yours. Morning.
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah. That's where I put the
Oh wow.
my blanket. Hey, Mom, look. That's what my mom. How about the words?
This is my animal. Morning.
Dad. Look.
What?
Marshmallow cooker.
Nice.
Dad.
projector comes with a pop-up
Really?
screen, yeah.
We don't spill. How much? I took the water and just have to go your tummy.
We're gonna do a longer drive next. Do you know if this calculator works?
I think so.
I didn't know. It's like that scratch on it. I know that
if
was
it
like
even has
a,
batteries in it.
it does. It doesn't come on. I don't know if the batteries are dead.
Batteries are probably dead. I can go grab some batteries if you want to try it out.
Yeah.
What kind of batteries are they?
Triple? I do. It's expensive. I'm thinking about it still.
Yes. Well, there's a bottom line that's I haven't used them.
Yeah, keep your hands on it, Tina. It's cool.
And the ones that we had.
Yeah.
You got any old video games?
No, I do not.
I got an addiction. I don't know. Gotta ask.
Did it work?
Yeah, it works. I'm very tempted by it. I'm thinking still. Does it look like it's there? You got all the pieces?
Hold on.
Did you do 15 for the two? Cool. Oh, yeah, so these batteries are dead.
All right. Thank
Your
you.
white batteries are good.
Thank you. We need batteries.
Oh, thank
Batteries
you.
included.
Awesome. All right, you have a good one.
Have a great one, guys.
You guys open yet?
Yeah, we're trying to get there.
Getting there?
You're welcome to start looking.
All right. Okay.
Those have scratches on them. Actually, you can't really tell.
That goes with that. Over on the other side of that door.
Oh, it's from the
Is that AC unit? For the Chevelle?
Yeah, I don't know if anybody will be interested in that.
That's a charger cable for a electric vehicle.
Oh.
Mine caught fire.
Which
my
one?
My Pacifica hybrid. That's all that was left.
Oh my gosh.
I know, right? It was craziness.
Was it plugged in when it caught fire? Is that cable the culprit?
I was on 70.
Oh, you were driving it.
Yes.
Jeez.
It's just crazy. That's all that's left. Yeah, I don't know if anybody still has one.
I'm sure. How much are you selling it for?
How much do you want for me?
How much were you wanting for your car charger?
Oh, for the car charger, $5.
What about this Villains game, the Disney game?
Oh,
dollar in pieces. But
It's brand new
okay.
because we never could figure out how to play it.
Oh, really? That's kind of that was my concern when I was looking at it. I was like, I wonder if we can actually figure it out.
Yeah.
Would you do $5 for the charger and the game?
Sure.
Okay, cool.
No problem.
I think the
But
kids
yeah,
might
it was.
like it if I could
you
figure it
ever
out.
figure, you got little kids or big kids?
Both.
Just take that.
Okay, cool.
Just have you and your wife play that.
Okay. Oh, let me pay you for it.
Whenever you're ready. Oh, what is that?
I got this one.
Painting tool. Yeah, it's a painting tool. What are you going to use the charger for?
I don't know. How much for the pants?
$1.
Let's take them.
We're needing
14 back. Perfect. Thank you.